Okay.
Hi.
Are you ready? Oh, say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my friends.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Christy.
I'm JD.
My friends. So today we're doing a mukbang. Is that how you say it?
Mukbang.
Don't like you.
So today I'm doing a Chinese food mukbang. I've never done a mukbang, obviously, and I want to spice it up a bit, change up my content. So yeah, we're gonna be answering questions I asked on Instagram for some questions about anything and everything. So
No filter.
we'll be talking about everything. So yeah, let's get
No
the food.
filter, yeah?
No filter. Let's get the food because I'm hungry.
Ksazobalit, 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 ooh, ksazobalit, ksazobalit.
So we've got some prawn crackers right here.
Oh my god. Look at these bags. Wait, what's the other bag? Just 3 small girls, anyway.
Small. You're the small. What big girls, fam? Spot me.
I'm tired.
So, got some spring rolls there.
Got some. I don't know what that is. What's that?
Oh, I didn't order that. Prawn toast.
I think it's.
Oh no, they comes with it.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, we've got so much food.
Some more spring rolls.
We've got some sauce. It's not like alcohol.
It's sweet chili,
No, it's not sweet chili. I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's for the dumplings to dip.
Okay. So we've got that. We've got some sweet and sour sauce.
Oh my gosh, that's so much.
So much sauce in it.
Chicken
What's
wings.
Yeah, I think it's ribs as well. It's a bit heavy.
Oh,
Oh my god.
that's so much sauce.
Oh, that's the barbecue one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think this one is the
Oh, that smells good.
house. Is it house special ribs?
House special ribs.
House special ribs.
Oh my
Oh. Oh, that's good.
Okay. Anything else? Oh, there better be it. Where's my
We've got
rice?
some
that's
Hong
nice.
Kong noodle style
This
chicken.
is sweet and sour chicken, Hong Kong style.
Some dumplings.
Ooh, that's what that rice.
Some Singapore fried rice.
Okay.
And last but not the least,
Our king prawn fried rice.
Dirty,
The best.
dirty rice.
Right. So, should we get some drinks? Do I some slur?
slurp.
You like some blink?
I want apple.
Okay. Should I get the first question while we open the drinks and whatnot? Okay, let's start off cute. Okay, so the first one is, how did you learn to cook? How did I learn to cook, guys?
Was it all of us or just you answering?
You can answer as well.
Oh, okay.
How did I learn to cook? I maybe watching
grew up
my
in an
mum.
African home.
It's my fault.
Like, honestly.
Watching my mum how she cooks and my aunties.
I'd say I'm one of those people, like, if I eat something, I can recreate what I've eaten. So,
I keep scratching my armpits already.
yeah.
I always liked going to the kitchen when I was younger, but now I hate it. So. Yeah, that's how I learned to cook.
The way you sit there.
You know when you can relate a little too hard?
Yeah. Okay, that's all. Hey. Okay.
I'm sorry, with starters or
Just in any order.
Anything.
in any order.
Where's the spoon?
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
A lot of food.
Anyway, the reason why we're here. Some questions right there. Okay. Wow. So my friend Noku said, "How much do you love me?" Oh, okay. None.
None at all. Stop begging it. You're always begging.
Noku is the 4th member of
Begging
Us.
to be you.
Oh,
Sorry. Begging to Waterloo Road.
yeah, Noku is the 4th member. Okay, someone said, Face revealed the real chef behind Humble Flavors. I heard you can't even cook. First of all, it's actually me. It's my brother. Yeah, I'm gonna at you. It's my brother.
Shade.
Yes, it's me. I can actually cook, guys. It's because I don't show my face when I'm actually cooking.
Okay, no,
But it's the nails. Look. Oh no, actually.
You really exposed yourself for them. Let me take my hands out as well, because
Okay, right.
I'm trying to pick out the shrimps in this food.
Okay, let's
they
do
feel
this
really
one.
weird in your mouth.
Signs he's not the right one.
Well, let me just tell you about that one still.
Oh, okay. I don't really know about relationship stuff, so.
Okay, that's 2 years.
Well. Oh, you like that lady? Well. Next question. This
Okay,
shirt
answer
tastes
then.
like actual wine.
It doesn't it?
Oh, you want me to answer? Why is everyone... Okay,
I
cool.
mean, you're good at
How
this
can you
shit.
tell he's not the one?
It's not the one if that man right there not claiming you. It's not the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you know something's shady when someone doesn't wanna. I'm not saying make a relationship public to the sense that people know. Yeah, you triggered. So funny.
They ain't trying to claim you anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, I don't want people to know.
There's a difference between
There's-
hiding
no.
and no.
There's a difference between privacy and hiding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
And when like you're out here trying to hide your
We can see you.
your significant other, then you're not trying to claim them. They're
To
not
be
yours.
honest, you're doing something you
You're
shouldn't
hiding
be.
them, yeah. Or you're embarrassed about them. Even that's even worse.
Other than that, it's like if you're always like arguing and you don't like meet a resolution where like you always have a problem with him, you're always talking about the same things and you're not reaching an understanding.
Yeah.
Because you're
You
telling
can even
someone
just agree to disagree. You don't have to agree all the time.
yeah.
Just agree to
To,
be
dis-
like, yeah.
to
Like,
disagree,
you
like
never-
I
when you
acknowledge where I
never-
went wrong. But at the end of the day, each person, I think, you know your own, like, your breaking point. Like, there's some things that you're like, I can't agree to disagree
Yeah.
on. And if those major things are things that you can't agree on, then...
Cut it.
He knows. The one that will be trying to long it out for a year, telling me, oh, I'm not ready for a relationship.
Yeah. It's
Excuse
not the
me?
one for you.
You are ready for a relationship because when you stop being, you're not, you be silent. Just tell me I'm not ready for a relationship with you. Just be honest about it. If you're not ready for a relationship with me, just tell me. You don't have to be longing it out and saying, okay, I'm not ready for a relationship, not yet. We can keep talking. This and
Yeah,
Those
but at the same
people,
time, you're
yeah.
still doing relationship stuff.
yeah, like
That's
we're,
what it
we're
is.
together, but we're not together. What's the point?
What's the point?
Just make me your girl
Or leave me alone.
or leave me alone.
I'm already
what
blind.
else? If you're in a relationship and you don't know if he's the one, I think sometimes if you have that feeling, sometimes when you have that feeling, you just feel like
Yeah, you keep
I don't
having
think it's
like
gonna go anywhere.
yeah, you keep having like little doubt. Never not trust your instincts. Like once your instincts tells you, oh, something is off, trust it because something is definitely off. If your instincts telling you that, like always trust your instincts.
The voice in your head never lies.
If your house was on fire, what would you save? Go on,
My phone.
Julie.
My laptop and my phone.
Wow.
What else do I want to save from that house? I don't have anything valuable in there.
Okay, we live on our own. Okay, let's say we're in our parents' home.
My
What would
parents'
you say?
home.
Yeah.
My laptop and my phone. What else am I
Once again,
saving?
it's not my problem.
What am I gonna say? What would you say?
What would you save? Yeah, same. And my camera.
My Michael calls back.
Oh yeah.
Everything else get bad. I have insurance.
Okay,
Understand.
apart from technology stuff like phone and laptop and nonsense.
Yeah, valuable things that don't have insurance.
So you're
Like you know, some people
my
have
designer
like,
shit. Take it.
some people have like sentimental pictures and stuff. I don't have that.
no.
so
They're on my phone.
I have my teddy bear. I've got a big teddy bear. I'm gonna save that. I can't let that go.
I have a big box of photos in my house, in my parents' house. I'll save it. But it's in the loft.
That's what I mean, like sentimental things.
My
like
makeup.
that.
I'd save that.
I don't have any like high end, so
I've got high-end makeup. I'm gonna save my makeup as well. Can't be out here wasting makeup. It's not insured. Next question.
that'd be so sad though. I was wondering, how do you stay looking so beautiful?
I wonder who asked you that question.
Who asked you that question? Was that-
You know who asked him that question.
Oh, you made me sick. You made me sick.
Well, you know, snatch your baby.
Wow.
Okay, favorite moment since being at uni. Oh, this is a nice one.
I can't think of one. Sorry. I can't. I genuinely cannot think of a question.
Yeah.
Hmm.
There's not one sentimental one.
I know a moment since I've been at uni. My sister's graduation. I know it's very cheesy, but I really cried on that day. Like, genuinely, I cried on that day. But maybe because she was leaving me. But yeah, it's my favorite moment since I've been at uni.
Aww, neat.
When you met me, girl.
She was begging for my friendship.
You know I wasn't. You know I wasn't.
You were begging for my friendship, Jodie. Oh
Are we doing this right now? She ran after me. She was like, "Can I walk with you guys?"
Big.
Why are you lying?
You know, okay, if you're at uni, yeah, you know on your first day, you obviously don't know anyone. She was one of the only black people there.
Well, I was
like,
make white friends.
No comments. No comments. My favourite moment at uni. Yeah, we can't pick one. Like, it's just. I think the whole of summer was really nice.
No. Could you just shut up?
Oh, sorry.
But yeah, I think summer because that's when we all became like really close. Like, that's when all four of us became friends. Because I thought,
Put Naku's picture
I thought
here.
Naku didn't like me.
Put her picture somewhere.
Somewhere here. But yeah.
Yeah. If I just look through my Snapchat saved memories, then I'll see favourite moments. Well, I tried to save those moments anyway. Next question is future aspects with cooking. Future aspects. I just want to like get better with cooking because I know I'm not the best. Okay, I'm getting there. I just want to learn new skills
I can
and
answer the question.
future aspects of cooking.
I want to just get better.
Yeah.
That's answer the question.
She's not the best because I'm the best.
Yeah. Future aspects.
Be like
I don't know how to answer that.
So like maybe like what do you want to do career-wise with cooking? That's
Yeah, don't do that. No.
I just, you'll see, soon come. Ha ha ha. What about you, Christy? You like to cook?
feed someone who's actually worth.
Channel coming soon.
No, I like to cook, but future aspect. Yeah, I just want to learn to cook new things for people who are actually worth cooking for.
I want to find someone who could cook for me every day, because
I
don't do this cooking thing. Yeah, sure.
Next year's gonna be lit. She's gonna be cooking.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna enjoy so much next year. Well, not next year, this year, September.
Wow.
Oh
yeah,
my
my
chef
chef.
spring rolls.
Because we have keep cooking for us.
No, I'm only gonna cook for myself.
We'll just eat your food.
We'll come rush you in the kitchen.
Like, honestly, what are you about?
Situationships at university.
There's a bit of a sticky one still.
I've heard a lot of stories about people getting in situationships.
Rob,
I've heard.
you've heard?
You've heard?
I've heard.
You've heard?
With just your ears.
Just your ears or your eyes?
You know when you're in a situationship and you're just doing relationship stuff when you're not together and he's telling you to relax or he's telling you to
Just telling you you're being
When
too
he
much
sees you
clingy.
the day after Valentine's, then gives you some ice cream to lick. Because he was with his girl on Valentine's Day. You guys share a little ice cream on the day after Valentine's Day, you know.
This is very
Post it
specific.
on Snap. And you think, oh, it's cute, he came to see me still. But girl, he was with his girl on Valentine's Day. Woo!
I heard about that. I forgot about that,
You heard
I
about it,
forgot about that. Wow.
No,
yeah.
like, it does happen a lot at uni, like, and you find a lot of girls put in who they are. Like, why are you out here? Like, oh, let's go out. My man said no. He's Karen. First of all,
So you left home to stop being told
what to do
and
to then switch ownership. No. And some guys are out here using you to cook for them. You're out here
Were
staying
you
at
cooking
home.
for me? Never.
No, we don't like that. We don't like that at all. And you're back at home doing, oh, my man said no. He's in the club with TikTok Tanisha. You know, so
Back Barbara.
so you need to just do you. Yeah.
But some girls, they really don't know because they've never been in
In a relationship,
or-
people will sell you dreams. Don't do that.
Oh, don't even tell me
Yeah.
about it.
So sad.
So sad.
It happens a lot.
A lot. I mean, I wouldn't know because, like, T, we've just heard.
Me, I've seen no. I'm just hearing.
Not just kidding.
I'm proud to say it's happened to me.
I'm living.
I'm a living example.
It's hurting. I'm done with my freaking
Basically, if you realise you're in a situationship, get out. Even if you're
don't think you're gonna change it because you will spend 5 years of your life doing on and off and it's gonna break your heart.
You can never change a toxic environment. The environment will change you, okay? Leave the relationship, leave the situation.
You really stole that from like Instagram or something.
I did. Of course I did. I posted that on Instagram. Why are you trying to at me?
Someone asked me, What can't you make even after many attempts so I can make it and show? Oh, that was my brother.
Why are you eyeing him?
Damn.
What can't I make? Well, I can make everything.
Make me Chinese food.
I mean, cooking is not hard. It's just putting seasonings together and make sure the food doesn't burn. I mean, some people can't do that.
Some people really can't. Some people can't even boil
No, I
rice
know.
properly.
I know.
Oh.
I want to at her right now, but
No.
I love her still.
I'd love for you.
But she knows she can't cook. For shh.
What can't I cook? I don't know, something I've never cooked before. I can't cook.
Really?
I know I can't cook. I can't cook like proper Nigerian food, like them soups and stuff. I can't do that.
I can't make
I
anything
can't cook like
African.
proper like like Nigerian food. I can't. It wouldn't work. I
You
mean,
know
I've
what
tried,
irritates
but no.
me? I can cook Chinese food, Oriental food, that kind of stuff, Thai, everything.
That's the country's food.
I can ask me to. What food does my country have first?
Yeah.
I don't know what I can't cook. If there's a recipe, I can follow it. If you tell me, nah, I can cook anything, mate.
She's a pro. What are you about?
I can cook anything. Why didn't you ask your brother to make your intro music? He's not offended. Just
Why is your brother just atting you? He's your number one fan.
You can make a new one because I think I want a new one soon. You can make it for me. Thank you. Oh, what? Wait, read it out.
Are you adopted? I heard mom and dad say so. I'm so adopted.
That music. No, because I look like my mom. We're twins.
Okay. Who cooks the best, men or women?
Well, if you look in the culinary world, like the big chefs are all men, but
I think that's a patriarchy thing where just men have been given the platform to do it. Because women are more domesticated. We cook in the home, right? You want to now go take my recipes and do them on
women.
I can't really say who.
I think it's down to your passion.
It's just down to you as a person. Can
Women.
Shut up.
Pro women.
It's like oh.
What is the worst punishment you received when you were young?
I got slapped from my brother sneaking out.
I don't remember getting punished. I remember getting beaten up. Like
Yeah, that's the punishment.
I don't remember getting punished.
Worst punishment or like the worst? Yeah, worst punishment or worst? Yeah.
The worst beating I've ever got from my parents was my mum. Obviously, that don't hit me. Two actually. One, my mum beat me to an asthma attack. I'm not even joking. Beat me like literally I couldn't breathe again. I was like, I was wheezing on the floor. I couldn't breathe. Oh my god. Listen, yeah, my mum does not abuse me. Fuck, some people I say your mum is abusing you. She doesn't abuse me, okay?
That's African culture.
And then the second time, this is even very, very recent. My mum and I proper fought. I don't know what was going on with her that day. She was just being moody, being aggy. And me and my stupid self decided to say, why should I respect you? You don't have respect for your own mum. I said, do run around. My mum was chasing me, yeah. She told me, she's like, if you said how else? She said, if you see me walk the other way, do not say anything to me. I was like, I was like, okay.
I don't think I have a worst moment.
That is definitely my worst moment for my mum.
When I was very young. But other than that, nah.
I remember all the beatings I ever got because I never really got beat. Yeah.
I remember all of them and I got beat a lot.
Traumatized.
Being the middle child. Why in the middle child you get beat a lot?
It's not even that. I feel like if you're smart about, because if my parents knew all the shenanigans, I like all the lies that I told you the UCAS thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If my parents knew like all the bad things I've done, I'd get hella beats. But you just kind of see from like your cousins and your brother, and because I'm one of the youngest ones, you see all the mistakes they made and how they got caught. So you refine your plan.
That's why little kids don't get beat.
We got like,
the
you
younger
know,
people never get beat.
blueprint.
The older people get beat up, but not the younger ones.
Yeah. So you don't get caught.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow their social medias. It'll be here and in the description box, as they always say. If you're new, subscribe and like. I do cooking videos. You know, for you students out there that can't cook, the people we're talking about, these videos are for you, okay? They're really easy and simple. Anyway, my previous video will be, I don't know which side it comes out.
I've always wanted to do that, you know.
It will be there. And yeah, check out my videos and follow me on Instagram, okay? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.
Not next week, it's in 2
Bye.
weeks.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Baby, but it's all the way over there. Go on then.
Bye, guys. Should I stop it? I don't know how to.